welcomes you at True News channel. The Ministry of Railways decided to start train from 15 April to give relief in lockdown time. Passengers should come at railways stations before 4 hours for checking of thermal screening. Railways operation will run only non-AC coach. There would not be AC coach in these trains, and all four doors of the coach will remain closed. Masks and gloves would be given at nominal fees from railways department. And please don't handshake anyone in the train, and please follow the rule of Indian lockdown time.